Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locating durable support and resistance. Find 3 to 5 clean swing highs and lows on daily and 4-hour charts. Once done, overlay volume and candlewick rejection to confirm strength and draw horizontal lines with a 0. 5 to 1. 5% tolerance band for real entries. Make sure to keep your timeframe hierarchy consistent. Combine higher timeframe zones with a lower timeframe entry plan so you trade the bias, not the noise. Now you refine execution. Use pullbacks into the zone and wait for clear confirmation like an engulfing candle or increasing volume before entering. Once confirmed, size your position to risk 0. 5 to 1% of capital. Place stops just beyond your tolerance band so one-time noise won't stop you out. Then, scale into winners by taking a half entry first and adding as momentum validates the move. This reduces whipsaw risk and preserves capital for follow-through. Finish by managing winners. Set partial profits at 1 to 1, trail stops to lock gains, and target 2 to 1 for full exits when appropriate. If a zone breaks and price invalidates your setup, cut size immediately and move to the sidelines. Review why the zone failed so you can adjust zone drawing or timeframe choices. Make sure to keep a concise trade log, record setup, risk to reward, and emotions so you learn consistently and fix recurring mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.